Your liver is your body's natural filter. Every day, it works tirelessly to eliminate toxins, process nutrients, and keep your internal systems running smoothly. Yet, with increasing exposure to processed foods, alcohol, medications, and environmental pollutants, our livers often get overwhelmed. While there's no magic potion to detox your liver instantly, certain natural remedies can support its function, especially when taken consistently. One of the simplest and most effective ways to give your liver a break is by drinking specific herbal teas or drinks before bedtime. Among the best choices, ginger turmeric tea and warm lemon water. Let's explore how these two simple bedtime drinks can help rejuvenate your liver and promote overall health. Why the liver needs support. The liver is involved in over 500 essential functions in the human body, including filtering toxins from the blood, breaking down hormones, metabolizing fats and carbohydrates, storing essential nutrients like vitamins A, D, E, K, and B12, producing bile to aid digestion. But just like any organ, the liver can become sluggish due to poor lifestyle habits, stress, and toxin overload. That's where liver-friendly drinks come in, to nourish, soothe, and gently stimulate liver function overnight. 1. Ginger turmeric tea, nature's anti-inflammatory elixir. How it works. Ginger and turmeric are both well-known in traditional medicine for their anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and detoxifying properties. Turmeric, the golden spice, contains curcumin, a compound that boosts liver detox enzymes, reduces liver inflammation, and even supports regeneration of liver cells. Ginger helps stimulate bile production, which aids in the digestion and elimination of waste. It also combats oxidative stress, a major contributor to liver damage. Benefits for liver detox: reduces liver inflammation. Chronic inflammation is at the root of liver diseases like fatty liver and cirrhosis. Curcumin and turmeric act as a natural anti-inflammatory agent, helping calm liver tissues and prevent damage. Boosts antioxidant capacity. Both ginger and turmeric fight free radicals, reducing oxidative damage in liver cells. Improves digestion before bed. A smooth digestion process means the liver doesn't have to work overtime during sleep. Ginger helps soothe the stomach and prevents bloating or indigestion. Stimulates bile flow. Ginger enhances the secretion of bile, which helps eliminate waste and supports fat digestion. Key functions for a healthy liver. How to make ginger turmeric tea. Ingredients: 1 cup of hot water, ½ teaspoon turmeric powder or freshly grated turmeric, ½ teaspoon grated fresh ginger, a pinch of black pepper to boost curcumin absorption, 1 teaspoon raw honey, optional, juice of ½ lemon, optional for added liver support. Instructions: boil the water and pour it into a mug. Add turmeric, ginger, and black pepper. Let it steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Sip slowly 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Tip: always use black pepper with turmeric. It increases the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. 2. Warm lemon water, a classic liver cleanser. How it works. Warm lemon water may seem simple, but it's one of the most effective ways to gently stimulate your liver's detox pathways, especially when consumed on an empty stomach or before bed. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps the body produce glutathione, a key compound your liver uses to neutralize toxins. Benefits for liver detox. Promotes bile production. Lemon stimulates bile production, which is essential for flushing out toxins and waste. Supports enzyme function. The acidity of lemon juice can aid in breaking down food and activating digestive enzymes, reducing the burden on your liver at night. Alkalizes the body. Though acidic in nature, lemon has an alkalizing effect on the body after digestion, which helps maintain a balanced internal environment. Hydrates and flushes toxins. Drinking warm water hydrates your cells, and the lemon helps mobilize toxins for elimination. How to make warm lemon water. Ingredients: 1 cup of warm, not boiling water. Juice of half a fresh lemon, 1 slice of lemon, optional. A small piece of ginger, optional. Instructions: heat water until warm but not too hot to drink. Squeeze in the lemon juice and stir. Add the slice of lemon or ginger if desired. Drink it slowly just before going to bed. Which one should you choose? Choose ginger turmeric tea if you're struggling with inflammation, bloating, or sluggish digestion. It's especially beneficial for those with fatty liver or inflammation-related liver issues. Choose warm lemon water if you're looking for a gentle detox, immune boost, or digestive reset. It's ideal for those with mild liver concerns or for daily liver maintenance. Want even more impact? Alternate between the two drinks every night. Liver detox isn't about crash cleanses or harsh fasting. It's about consistently making small choices that support your body's natural detox processes. Drinking either ginger turmeric tea or warm lemon water before bed is a gentle, natural way to give your liver the nutrients and support it needs, right when it does its hardest work, while you sleep. Pair these bedtime drinks with a healthy lifestyle, clean eating, regular exercise, and stress management, and you'll be well on your way to better liver health, better sleep, and a more energized body.